Morning sunlight fills Ryan's room as he looks around anxiously, checking under his bed and behind his pillow, hoping to find his favorite toy. His frustration grows, and he stomps out of the room, walking down the hallway before shoving the door open with force. The door slams loudly, and Ryan kicks off his shoes so hard that one of them skids across the floor. He throws his hands up and shouts, "I hate everything today. No one helps me find anything." His voice echoes with anger as his grandpa sits quietly on the couch, watching him without saying a word. Ryan keeps pacing in frustration while Grandpa waits patiently. Eventually, Ryan stops, and Grandpa gives him a soft smile. "Ryan," he says gently, "go tell the door you're sorry." Ryan blinks in disbelief, confused by what he just heard. Grandpa adds kindly, "And say sorry to your shoes, too." Ryan frowns and stares at him. "Grandpa, what? You're serious?" He gestures toward the door. "It's just a door." He points at his shoes. "Those are just shoes." Grandpa lets out a warm chuckle. "Didn't you slam the door?" He asks. "Didn't you kick your shoes?" Ryan hesitates and then nods slowly. "Yeah, I guess I did." Grandpa leans forward slightly. "If you can show anger toward them, then you can show kindness too. Anger feels easy, doesn't it? But saying sorry, that's true strength." Ryan lowers his head and grows quiet as Grandpa continues in a calm voice. "Anger is a connection, Ryan. When you hit the door, you connected with it through your anger. But love can connect you too. Love calms what anger hurts. If your hands can bring harm, they can also bring comfort." As Ryan listens, his anger begins to fade. He takes a deep breath, letting Grandpa's words settle inside him, and slowly nods. He walks toward the door and places his hand on it gently. "Sorry, door," he whispers. His face softens, and he turns toward his shoes. Kneeling down, he says quietly, "You didn't deserve that." Grandpa rises from the couch and walks over, wrapping Ryan in a warm hug. "You're really strong, Ryan," he says with pride. "Because you chose love over anger." He continues softly, "There's already so much anger, hate, and fighting in the world. But love changes things, even in small moments. Anger can't stop anger. Fire can't stop fire. You need water. And love, Ryan, is the water that cools anger." Ryan listens and smiles gently. "I'll try, Grandpa," he says. "I'll answer with love." Grandpa nods proudly. That's the lesson. Reduce anger, grow love. When we choose kindness, the world changes little by little. Ryan feels the calm filling the room again. He thinks about everything he's learned and realizes it's okay to feel angry, but choosing kindness is what truly shows strength. Stories like this help us grow, help us understand ourselves, and help us see how the world can change through love. And with that lesson in his heart, Ryan decides he wants to live with more love, knowing it really can change the world.